Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get Instagram algorithm to show your content more to people. So there are a couple of things that I can simply go ahead and explain to you based on my experience. If you look at my profile and look at the views I have received over the past, it is quite significant. So in order to go ahead and get this, all you need to do is simply go ahead and nail the first 3 seconds. So lower the skip rate, add motion, contrast, or an expressive face in the first half second to make viewers stop scrolling. Also, state a strong problem or contrarian opinion right away. Focus on value per second as well. The second thing you want to do is target specific engagement metrics. The algorithm values different actions for different content goals, optimized for saves, shares, and comments. So, for educational, instructional, or list style content that people want to refer back to, simply go ahead and ask people to save it on the video. For relatable, funny, or shocking content that users want to send to their friends, simply go ahead and mention them to share it. And by asking direct questions or actively replying to your audience, you can simply ask them for comments. The third thing you want to do is optimize for SEO. So Instagram's AI index on-screen text caption and bio text use natural, descriptive, keywords instead of just piling on hashtags. Use 3 to 5 highly relevant niche specific hashtags rather than maxing out at 30. The fourth thing you want to do is create repeatable series and rehook. So turn your best performing post into a multi-part series. This gives viewers a reason to follow so they don't miss the rest. Also, take your most successful past content and recreate it with a stronger, updated hook at the beginning. And the final thing you want to do is prioritize original content. Instagram aggressively prioritizes original native content. Ensure that you remove watermarks from other apps and avoid heavily reposting existing memes. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next.